I have this Baseus compact earpod. It is called the Baseus E17 True Wireless Bluetooth earphones. So it says it's very compact, but it has incredible bass. This is the promise they are making us. And here it also says that you can get up to 24 hours huge battery. Here we will get dual environmental noise cancelling microphones, which means this should be good for calls. We are going to test that. So it has a Bluetooth of 5.3, and then it has a security lanyard. It also has a scan or a code that you can scratch and scan to verify if this is the original one you bought. At the back here, it has the name in different languages like English, French, Espanol, Russia, Italy or Italian, and different kind of languages right here. So in the box, we are supposed to get a charging case, and we get two headphones left and right, and then we get two ear tips, two different sizes, and then we get the charging cable and then the quick guide. That's basically all you get inside of this stuff. So as always, the packaging or the brand is Baseus, and it's yellow and black. So I really like the texture here, and you can see their logo somewhere here that sort of makes their packaging very, very good. So I'm just going to open this, and then we are going to extensively test it to see what it sounds like. So inside the box, this is basically all you get. This is the packet, and then this is the user manual. All right, and right here we have their quick startup guide, which is very, very clean. And then we have some stickers that you can use if you wanted to. And then this is the charging cable, which is Type-C. So this is the headphone itself and the charging case. So it's actually very small, and this comes in two colors, I think, but I could only get white because they have just white available. So this is small. It is smaller than all of the headphones I've used. So this is the white color I got. So there is a place for the lanyard here. You have the Type-C charging port and a small indicator here. And that's basically it. So this can sit comfortably. So it can sit comfortably on the desk. So I'm going to put it there. And this is the lanyard that you can use to carry or make this power bank, not the power bank headphone. So we have this lanyard here that you can use to keep this to help you keep this secured. So this is quite thoughtful because my last two headphones, I've misplaced them. Everything, because I don't know if I'm going to actually use the lanyard, but it's a good thought. Here we now get the ear tips. So this means we have extra two of these. So it already comes with one on the headphone itself. So we get two extra. So if you have like smaller ears, you have the option right here. So let's talk about the headphones themselves. So these are the headphones. We have the left and then the right. So we have this yellow tape to help us preserve the charge. So I'm going to remove it right now. And this is the left, and this is going to be the right. So this is what we get from the box. Now let's talk about the sound quality. So I'm going to connect this to another phone. I'm going to try to make a call with it if the other person can hear me properly, and then I'm going to also try to record a video so you see what the mic sounds like in case you want to make video calls with this stuff. So let's begin. So I've just connected these headphones, and as you can see, they sit very comfortably with no pains at all. So I don't feel any pains, and it doesn't fall off. So as you can see, they fit very perfectly. They are quite comfortable, and it has touches. So it actually does have it, like you can touch somewhere here, and I like that it's very hidden. You wouldn't know it's there, but if you touch it, like if you double tap it, or you tap it 3 times, it's going to open the voice command. So now it has opened the Google Gemini for me, and I can say, Google, how are you doing? So the Google Gemini is working, and you should possibly hear it. So it has given me stuffs like the reply. So the feature is there, so you can also use this to like answer a call. Right here we have the information on how to do that. So if you want to answer a call, you just have to tap it 2 times. If you want to end the call, you can also tap it 2 times, either of them. So if you want to fast forward your music, 1 time, you tap the right side, you just hold it for 1.5 seconds. If you want to go back, you hold the left side 1.5 seconds too. So it does not come with its own app, but you can still control the quality of the audio from your music player. So it works easily with audio players, and in my case I can actually use the different preset I have in my phone, and it will work without any issues. So the sound quality, the sound is very loud, the bass is very, very good, and of course it's not top end, but it's very good, and it delivers on the promise of it being incredible bass. Also the bass is refined, is not drab like the last one I made, the last video I made. So the bass is very good, the audio level is very loud, and like I said, you can basically control it from your smartphone. Now let's talk about calls and the microphones. As you know, it says that it has 2 noise cancelling microphones. I think that would be 2 each. So I'm just going to make a call. Hello, how are you? Good afternoon. How are you doing today? I'm alright. This is Noel, and I'm running a test for my Baseus E17. I want you to confirm if you can hear me clearly. Loud and clear. Oh, that was nice. See you some other time. Goodbye. So she confirms that, yeah, it's a she. So she confirms that she can hear me very loud and clear, and that's for the regular call. So let's try WhatsApp call and see if we are going to actually get the same quality. So let me make a call on WhatsApp. Hello and good morning. Welcome back to WhatsApp. How are you doing? I'm alright. So again, I want you to confirm if you can hear me loud and clear on WhatsApp. So it's a yes, you can hear me loud and clear. Oh, okay. So there you go. Thank you for your time. So as you heard, that was also on WhatsApp, and she confirms that she can hear me clear. So the mics are pretty good, and frankly, they've been the best mic I've used for a very long time now. And for the battery strength, it didn't really say how long each battery will last, but each battery can take you for around 5 hours without charge. So for you to know how the battery charges, there's an indicator, a white indicator here, and when it's blinking, it means it's charging. When it's steady, it means it has filled up. So again, you have these stickers that comes with it. I don't know what you need it for, but it's there, and it's a smooth touch from Baseus. Overall, I think this is a fine purchase. I actually like it, and I'm going to use it. So if you're wondering if you should buy this Baseus, I think you should, and the price is quite fair compared to other brands. So this one costs me 12,500 naira, and in case you struggle to find it at that price, it's because I actually did not buy it online. I actually got it offline, so you might need to go offline to find it at that price. However, online you should be seeing it somewhere around 20,000 or thereabout. In this case, I still think is a decent option for you because the sound is good, the mic is good, the battery life is good, and that's all I have to tell you. I hope this video helps you. Please like the video. Thank you for watching. My name is Goodnoel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.